I've got two goodies for you from Bali Outdoors, and it's to do with camping and food. And I love camping, I love food. So we've got the 32-inch fire pit, and we've got the tabletop fire pit as well. So we're gonna take a look at these. I'm gonna do some cooking with them. Basically kill two birds with one stone. It's freezing here, cook some food, get warm, get eating, why not? Let's crack on. Oh, and I'm gonna build it. And like I said, I'm gonna tell you if it's hard to build or not. And if you can build it, I can build it. No, wrong. If I can build it, you can build it. Oh, this rain's getting to my head. Let's crack on. All right, so I've opened the box, and this is what you get. This is what you get. And I was about to throw that box away. So if you do get one of these, check that box thoroughly, because I nearly threw away the actual screws and bolts. So I need them. So make sure you check your box, but I'll show you exactly what you get. The fire pit, the grill, that goes around it, I think. And then you've got the legs. Don't know what they are yet, but you know, I think, and I've looked at the instructions as well, and they seem pretty simple to, you know, follow. But that's what you get. That's what you get. So I'm going to try and put this together. And like I said, if I can do this, you can do this. Yeah, I'm actually surprised how well that went. It was so easy to put together. Everything just fell in place, and the instructions, they were easy to actually follow, because like I said, I'm not a DIY guy. And while I was doing it, you could tell the quality of it as well. You know, it's definitely worth its money. I'm not just saying that, it really is. And the weight, it's got a nice weight to it. It's not that heavy, it's not that light. But you can tell it's quality. It's nice. And to actually use, you just need these. That's all you need. All right, first unboxing done. Easy to put together. Happy with that. Next, we're going to open the tabletop fire pit. So let's open this. All right, this one looks a bit more manageable. And what does it come with? It comes with, I like this little bag. It comes with a nice little bag there. So we've got the grate, that's to put your pan on. Then you've got your, what is it? Then you've got your support legs. You've got your top cover, your cylinder. You've got your little bit of screws. I would imagine those are screws for your legs, and air vent handle. That's for your pellets, I would imagine. Can't wait to use these. Meet the 6.5-inch tabletop fire pit from Bali Outdoors, a compact portable unit made from durable stainless steel, so it's built to handle high heat and resist rust over time. It's lightweight and easy to move around, which makes it perfect for patios, balconies, camping trips, or even just setting up on a table for a quick cook. Despite its small size, it produces a really clean low smoke burn thanks to its airflow design, and the flame has a really nice, almost swirling effect that looks great on camera. You can fuel it with small wood pieces or wood pellets, so you've got flexibility depending on what you've got available. It also comes with a small stove rack, which gives you a stable surface for a pan. And today, I'm keeping it simple, with a proper bacon sandwich. Crispy bacon sizzling away. Bread toasting nicely over the heat. And of course finished off with some good old British HB sauce. It smells amazing. Yeah, that's great. It holds a flame, cooks a bacon sandwich. You can go in the woods with some, I don't know, a bag of wood chips and just set up camp and just eat. Amazing. I'm impressed. For something this compact, it's surprisingly versatile. It's not just about the flame, you can actually cook on it. Perfect for quick snacks, warm drinks, or just adding a little bit of atmosphere while you relax outdoors. Small, simple, and easy to use, but still practical enough to make a proper sandwich. Next is the Bali Outdoors 32-inch wood fire pit, a full-size setup designed for proper outdoor cooking and gathering. It's built from solid steel construction, so it's strong, durable, and made to handle high heat. The 32-inch bowl gives you plenty of cooking space, whether you're just enjoying the fire or preparing a full meal. What really makes this versatile is the movable cooking grill. You can adjust or reposition it over the flame to control your heat, which makes it easy to manage different foods at the same time. It turns the fire pit into a proper outdoor barbecue setup in seconds. Today I'm cooking one of my camping favourites, sausage and onions over real wood fire, letting everything pick up that natural smoky flavour. I've also got some crispy bread on the grill to finish off. Simple ingredients cooked properly over open flame. Because of its size, it's perfect for family cooking or having friends round. It gives you warmth, atmosphere, and a practical cooking surface all in one. It's not just a fire pit, it's a solid backyard cooking centrepiece. I'm so glad the sun came out because I was getting a little worried there. And the man upstairs said, "Steve, start cooking." So that's what I did. I started cooking on these two. And you cannot beat the smell of camp stove onions. You can't beat it. All right, so cooking on these two, I'm impressed with both. I love the 6.5. I think it's a 6.5, the small one. You can take that anywhere, pop it in a bag, open the bag, and get a meal on. You're there, you're in minutes, and you can either use wood or pellets. It was so simple to set up. I was so impressed. It holds a flame really, really nice. And yeah, you've got a snack or a meal in no time. This, it does what it says. It holds a flame nicely, a nice pit, good quality, and I cooked my onions and sausage, turned out really, really well, delicious. And yeah, I can't fault these, really good quality. And all the information is below. If you want to check one out, read the instructions, read the information, or if you want to get one. All the links below. But yeah, I'm impressed. Great for camping or just great on a patio, a deck with your family, getting warm or want to cook something. Yeah, really, really good. Yeah, highly recommend. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just happy that the sun's out. Anyway, thanks guys.